just one little burnt spot. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick trick for cleaning your microwave. This is something, once I learned how to do, discovered this, it totally changed this much dreaded chore around for me. I'm sure most of you guys already are familiar with this tip, but it involves vinegar and lemon juice and just heating it up and boiling it in your microwave and creating steam that just makes all of the stuff come off really quickly. So right now my microwave is absolutely filthy, the most disgusting it's probably ever been, because I've actually been putting this chore off because I wanted to film it. So it is absolutely splattered disgustingly gross. So stick with me and we're gonna see just how good this trick works, because it is a mess. So to start with, this is my microwave currently. It is absolutely as disgusting as it can possibly be, and even the door is disgusting because last night I actually melted butter and actually already took this out and cleaned it, and I just put it back in to heat something up real quick, and I'm gonna leave it in there to actually put the container with the vinegar and lemon on so it can melt really well. But you see all of this caked up. I melted butter in here and it like exploded basically. So it's created this all over the door and all in here, just to give you an idea of how gross it is to start with. So I'm gonna put this back. So, and get a just little glass bowl and some white vinegar, and I'm just gonna put about that much in it. So I normally take a lemon and cut it up into wedges and put that in the dish and actually microwave it in the vinegar. I know a lot of people use vinegar or lemon, but I prefer to use both, and it actually helps cut down on that vinegar smell, but the vinegar I think is what actually does the majority of the cleaning. But I'm going to just use a little lemon juice out of one of these containers I'm sure y'all see at the grocery store. I'm just gonna put just a little squirt. And I like to do this in 2 segments. So I like to microwave it for about 3 minutes. I know a lot of people actually do it for 5 minutes. I've seen some people do it for 10 minutes. I like to do it for 3 minutes, and then I will let it sit for a second for the steam to kind of get all over the yucky stuff in the microwave. And then I'm gonna take it out and actually wipe out some of the bigger pieces of stuff that are stuck out of the microwave, then put the dish back in for another 3 minutes, and then take a towel and actually wipe it really well that way. All right, and as soon as that's done, this is gonna be really, really hot. I'm going to take it out carefully without burning myself here, and just stick it to the side. And like I said, I'm gonna take some paper towels. I'm going to remove the glass dish that I had already washed previously. Just wipe off some of that dampness and stick it to the side along with the ring. And then just start wiping out the bigger chunks. And you can see how easy those are wiping away just from that one round. Just from 3 minutes and not even really letting it sit. Okay, once I've gotten all of the big chunks of stuff out of there, as you can see, then I'm going to put the then I'm going to put the vinegar and lemon juice back in without the dish and hope that that balances well, so I can get the stuff on the bottom. And this time I'm gonna do it for about 5 minutes. And then when that is done, I will actually let it steam. Let it sit in the steam a little longer. That time I got interrupted because Brightsley was actually crying in the other room, so the steam had already dried them. And then on this go around, I'll actually use a towel, just an old cleaning towel that's big enough to get the junk, but small enough to really maneuver in there to get the rest of it out. So while that is microwaving again, I'm going to just take a little Clorox cleanup wipe and actually clean up the outside of the microwave. The part that I don't mind if there are chemicals on. I just don't want any chemicals that are cleaning chemicals, hazardous chemicals, inside the microwave where food is heated up. Hence the vinegar, which is also a chemical. Vinegar is, all kinds of things are chemicals, but it's an edible chemical that doesn't harm you and is a great, great cleaning agent. Okay, now that it has gotten done microwaving for another round of 5 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and open the microwave and carefully take out the hot dish. You can see this time it really got all of that. And you can see there's not much of that vinegar that I put in there left. This time I actually let the steam soak in there for a few minutes after the microwave turned off. So now I'm just going to continue to wipe it out, this time with a cloth. And I'm actually going to do the door first. You can see how easily that came off. So I've got it all out of the cracks there. And the inside of the microwave, and you can even dip your towel in a little bit of the vinegar to get anything that's just stubborn. It's a little burn mark. The only thing I hate about cleaning the microwave with the vinegar is that I hate the smell of vinegar. So the lemon juice kind of helps that out, but it's still pretty strong. Alright, once you have it all clean, I can go ahead and stick my, again, that part is just melted from my butter accident. Go ahead and stick back in, and there you have it, all clean. The wonders of vinegar and lemon juice. Thanks guys, that is how I generally clean my microwave. I usually try to do that about once a month. Should probably do it more often, but if we're able to remember to cover plates and just kind of wipe it out just with a paper towel after we heat up anything messy, then it usually isn't even that bad. That is extra buildup and, like I said, a butter explosion that caused it to be that bad. Generally, it doesn't get that bad. So anyway, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any other cleaning tips that I might enjoy or might be useful for me. If you have any suggestions on what to do about that burnt spot that is just like a stain in there. And we'll see you next time. Bye.